So this is the gaming PC you should build for $3,500. For the CPU, you should go with AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D. It's a 8-core processor and it is the fastest for gaming right now. For the CPU cooler, you should go with Deepcool LS720. For the motherboard, you should go with MSI Mag X670E Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard. For the RAM, you should go with 96 GB of Trident Z5. It's clocked in 8000 MHz. For the storage, you should go with Samsung 980 Pro 2TB NVMe SSD. For the case, you should go with Entech DF700 Flux ATX mid tower case. For the PSU, you should go with Corsair RM1000E. For the GPU, you should go with Gigabyte Gaming OC RTX 4090.